Hi, so welcome back. So we made it through the 21 question series of questions we would ask an estate planning attorney if we were hiring one. So you have hopefully seen all of the 21 questions, but we wanted to drop a little bit of a bonus question here that we think will be really beneficial for you. So remember, subscribe to the channel, like the page, make sure that you get all of our videos as they come forward. But let's talk a little bit about the bonus question. The bonus question that you need to ask is, how does the lawyer help you achieve your goals? And so I'm Scott Stork with Polaris Estate Planning and Elder Law. This is my partner, Raymond Chandler. And Ray, why is that question important?
That question is important because that's what all this is about. It's about your goals. How are we going to achieve those? So it's really important to know what goals you're going to achieve. So are we just avoiding probate, or are we going to talk about the instructions you leave behind, the protections you leave behind? How are we going to handle disability? How are we going to handle your legacy? How are your children? How are your beneficiaries? How is your spouse? How is your assets? All those type of things go into achieving your goals. The fees we talked about go into achieving your goals. How the system and processes are in place. All those are part of achieving your goals. And if all of those are perfect and they don't achieve your goals, then it really doesn't matter, does it? So that's why this question is so vitally important. The one red flag I want to give you is if the attorney is not really talking about your goals and really only talking about their goals of giving you documents in exchange for a check or just avoiding probate. Maybe you have more goals than that. So that's why when we want to sit down with you, our clients, things like that, we want to take the time to go through all of those goals and discuss all of your planning options, discuss everything you might want, everything you might need, talk about everything that goes into estate planning to make sure your personal goals are met. Because every plan can be different. Every plan can achieve different goals. Every plan can be structured in a way that is personal to you and your family. So we have to know what those goals are before we can even do a plan. And you want to make sure that we're going to design a plan with you, not for you. And so we want to make sure that plan is set up for you to meet your goals, and then have the processes in place to make sure it works. So make sure that we fund your plan, make sure we maintain your plan, make sure we're talking with your family and explaining the plan to them. Make sure we're having conversations with your financial team to make sure they understand how the plan works, and that you understand how it interacts with your assets and your property and things like that. So everything we've talked about through this series, and everything we talk about on our videos, and everything we talk about with our clients comes down to the essential question of, how are we going to achieve your goals? And that's the most important question you could ever ask anybody when you're trying to get your estate planned, and that's why it's the biggest question you need to have on your mind when you walk in.
So thanks so much for sticking with us, for watching the 21 questions. We hope it was helpful. Make sure that you comment below if you think that we missed any questions that you want to get the answer to. But as importantly, like and subscribe to the page. We want to make sure that you're able to see all the new videos that we drop as we drop them. We are going to go far beyond 21 questions because we're going to talk a lot about estate planning and elder law and other things. So I'm Scott Stork with Polaris Estate Planning and Elder Law. This is my partner, Raymond Chandler. Thanks for watching. Drop those comments below. Have a great day.